All right, guys. So it's December. What is today, Mark? December 14th.
17th.
17th. We are wrapping up almost the last leg. Here's a portion of what we wrapped up so far today. We've got probably about 30 or 40 orders. And so far we've got, with our cookies, we've got a whole wall of boxes still ready to go. We've got about 160, 190 orders left. So really quick, I'll ask my son, who's my shipping expert, how many cookies have we made and wrapped in the last 30 days?
About 30,000.
30,000 individual cookies. And that's these cookies?
Yep.
These cookies right here. We have sold, I think, what have we done? I think around $19,000, $20,000 in the past 30 days. In the last 90 days, we've done around 37 or 38,000. So we are busy, slam busy. You ready to rock and roll, Mark, and wrap up these last few boxes? Cool, man. All right, guys. Just want to give you a quick update. See you on our next video.